Design your own custom shoes with just a few clicks? Here are the step-by-step. Step 1. Visit the ShoeZero website. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options to get started on your custom shoe journey. Step 2. Select your shoe type. Step 3. Choose your design. Once you've selected your shoe type, click on it to start designing. You'll be taken to a customization interface where you can upload your own images, logos, or patterns. Choose from a variety of pre-made designs and add text in different fonts and colors. Step 4. Finalize and order. After you've perfected your design, review your custom shoe to make sure it's exactly how you want it. You can preview the shoe from different angles to ensure every detail is just right. When you're satisfied, click on the Add to Cart button and proceed to checkout.